Hello everyone, welcome back. So you might be saying to yourself, what the heck are you looking at? Well, as I'm working on these sewing machines, I found it very frustrating, not just the sewing machines, but when I'm at my bench and I'm trying to make a video, the tripod, which I'm using right now, which when it's on the ground, on the floor, spreads out like a 36-inch circle, and I'm always hitting it, and it's in my way, and I can't get around it. I said, you know what? I gotta make some other kind of holder, whatever you want to call it, for my camera and my phone. And I'm sitting here this morning. Yeah, I've been up since about, I don't know, 3:45 in the morning. And I'm thinking about, oh, you know what? Why don't I just make something and mount it to the bench? And this is what I came up with. I just wanted to show you because I thought it was pretty cool. So it mounts to the bench. Let me see if I can get this over there. If you look down there, see those two little knobs that I made. Now let me take that off and bring you closer to the bench and show you what this looks like. Alright, let's get this over here. Come up in the air. Man, my video skills are just awesome. Alright, I think you can see where I'm going here. Alright, so now again, just a piece of scrap wood I had. Put a slot in it so now I can raise the height up and down. Simple little drywall screw and a little knob that I could store here when I'm not using it. And then I had purchased a tiny little really piece of garbage tripod stand for $10 on Amazon because I wanted this to hold my phone. So I took it apart, and what I did was drilled a hole in there, have another one of those little knobs, and took this would sit like this. There was the tripod attached here, and I sanded down this little dowel to fit in here. So now when it's in here, I can adjust how far I'm over the bench. And then this part here, I can loosen this, and I could turn the camera that way. And if I loosen this, I could turn it this way. So I was so pleased with how easily this was able to be put together. I think from when I thought of it to when I finished it was probably 45 minutes, definitely less than an hour. Maybe a little bit more than an hour. When I made these, I had to make these knobs, put the epoxy in them, and let it dry. Pretty simple. It works great. And now I could go right up against the bench. I could work around it. I don't have this 3-foot area that I'm, hitting the camera. And yeah, I'm definitely digging it. Worked out great. Very simple. For $10. And like I said, I never even used the tripod because it's that cheap and flimsy. But this is the part I wanted. And not only that, it actually has a remote that I can connect to my phone to, start video, stop video, take pictures. So as far as the tripod goes, for the parts that I needed, I thought it was an excellent deal. The tripod part of it, not so much. But now I just turned it into this. which is going to be a huge relief when I'm sitting here trying to do something. So I just wanted to show you that. You know I'm going to say it. I'm sending you all much, much love and appreciation, my brothers and sisters. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it gave you some ideas. I hope you're doing well, and we'll see you on the next one.